Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of process design within operations management. Process design is all about planning and organizing the sequence of activities that transform inputs into valuable outputs. Whether you're in manufacturing, services, or logistics, effective process design can make or break your operational success. In this video, we'll explore why process design matters, how it impacts efficiency, and the steps you can take to improve it. Let's start by understanding the basics and why every organization should care about refining their processes. Process design refers to the methodical planning of workflows and activities that convert resources into finished products or services. It's not just about drawing flowcharts, it's about ensuring each step adds value and eliminates waste. By focusing on process design, organizations can streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Think of it as the blueprint for how work gets done, setting the foundation for operational excellence. Well-designed process is crucial for achieving operational goals. It helps organizations deliver consistent quality, meet deadlines, and respond quickly to changes in demand. Poorly designed processes, on the other hand, lead to bottlenecks, errors, and wasted resources. By investing time in process design, companies can gain a competitive edge and adapt more easily to market shifts. Let's look at how process design influences overall performance. Process design involves several key elements: inputs, transformation activities, outputs, and feedback loops. Inputs are the resources you start with: materials, information, or people. Transformation activities are the steps that convert these inputs into outputs, which are the final products or services. Feedback loops help you monitor and improve the process over time. Understanding these elements is the first step toward designing effective processes. Technology plays a vital role in modern process design. Automation, data analytics, and digital tools can streamline workflows, reduce errors, and provide real-time insights. By integrating technology into process design, organizations can achieve greater efficiency and flexibility. It's important to choose the right tools that align with your operational goals and scale as your business grows. For making improvements, it's essential to map out your current processes. This involves documenting each step, identifying who is responsible, and noting any tools or resources used. Process mapping helps you visualize the workflow, spot inefficiencies, and understand where changes are needed. Tools like flowcharts or swim lane diagrams can make this task easier and more effective. Bottlenecks are points in a process where work slows down or piles up, causing delays and reducing efficiency. Identifying these bottlenecks is a critical step in process improvement. Look for steps that consistently cause delays, require rework, or create backlogs. Once you've pinpointed the problem areas, you can focus your improvement efforts where they'll have the most impact. Analyzing the flow of your process involves looking at how work moves from one step to the next. Are there unnecessary handoffs or redundant steps? Is information flowing smoothly? By examining the process flow, you can identify areas for simplification and standardization, which can lead to faster and more reliable outcomes. Once you've mapped and analyzed your process, it's time to set clear improvement goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, often referred to as SMART goals. Whether you want to reduce cycle time, cut costs, or improve quality, having well-defined objectives will guide your process redesign efforts and help you track progress. Successful process design requires input from everyone involved. Engaging stakeholders such as employees, managers, and customers ensures that the redesigned process meets real needs and gains buy-in. Hold workshops, interviews, or brainstorming sessions to gather insights and encourage collaboration. This inclusive approach leads to better solutions and smoother implementation. Benchmarking involves comparing your processes to industry leaders or competitors to identify areas for improvement. By studying best practices, you can adopt proven methods and avoid common pitfalls. Benchmarking isn't about copying others, it's about learning what works and adapting it to fit your unique context. This step can inspire innovative solutions and set higher performance standards. With goals set and insights gathered, it's time to redesign your process. Focus on eliminating unnecessary steps, automating repetitive tasks, and streamlining workflows. Use tools like process simulation or modeling to test new designs before implementation. Remember, the goal is to create a process that's efficient, flexible, and aligned with your organizational objectives. Implementing process changes requires careful planning and communication. Develop a clear rollout plan, assign responsibilities, and provide training as needed. Monitor the transition closely to address any issues that arise. Effective implementation ensures that the redesigned process delivers the expected benefits and that employees feel supported throughout the change. After implementation, it's crucial to monitor the new process's performance. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, to track progress toward your goals. Regular monitoring helps you identify any deviations, measure success, and make data-driven adjustments. This ongoing evaluation ensures that improvements are sustained over time. Process design isn't a one-time project, it's an ongoing journey. Embrace a culture of continuous improvement by regularly reviewing processes, seeking feedback, and making incremental changes. Techniques like Kaizen or Six Sigma can support this mindset, helping your organization stay agile and competitive in a changing environment. Lean principles focus on maximizing value while minimizing waste. In process design, this means identifying and eliminating non-value-added activities. Techniques like value stream mapping and 5S can help visualize waste and organize workspaces. By applying lean thinking, organizations can create more efficient and responsive processes. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology for improving process quality and reducing variation. It uses tools like DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, control to systematically solve problems. Incorporating Six Sigma into process design helps organizations achieve consistent, high-quality outcomes and reduce defects. Standardizing processes ensures that tasks are performed consistently, regardless of who is involved. This reduces errors, simplifies training, and makes it easier to scale operations. Documenting standard operating procedures (SOPs) is a key step in process standardization, providing clear guidance for everyone involved. While standardization is important, processes also need to be flexible enough to adapt to changing conditions. Flexible process design allows organizations to respond quickly to new opportunities or disruptions. This might involve cross-training employees, modular workflows, or scalable technology solutions. Automation can transform process design by handling repetitive tasks, reducing errors, and freeing up employees for higher-value work. From robotic process automation (RPA) to AI-driven decision-making, automation tools can boost efficiency and accuracy. It's important to evaluate which tasks are best suited for automation and ensure a smooth integration with existing workflows. To know if your process design is effective, you need to measure performance. Common metrics include cycle time, throughput, error rates, and customer satisfaction. Regularly tracking these metrics helps you identify trends, spot issues early, and make informed decisions about further improvements. Putting the customer at the center of process design ensures that your operations deliver real value. Gather customer feedback, map the customer journey, and design processes that enhance satisfaction. A customer-centric approach not only improves loyalty but also drives continuous improvement by focusing on what matters most. Every process carries some level of risk, whether it's operational, financial, or compliance-related. Effective process design includes identifying potential risks, assessing their impact, and developing mitigation strategies. By proactively managing risks, organizations can avoid costly disruptions and ensure smoother operations. Introducing new processes often requires significant change. Change management involves preparing, supporting, and guiding employees through the transition. Clear communication, training, and leadership support are essential for overcoming resistance and ensuring successful adoption of new processes. Effective process design includes training and development for everyone involved. Well-trained employees are more confident, make fewer mistakes, and adapt more easily to changes. Invest in ongoing training programs to keep skills sharp and ensure that everyone understands their roles in the new process. Clear documentation is essential for effective process design. It provides a reference for training, ensures consistency, and makes it easier to update processes as needed. Use flowcharts, checklists, and standard operating procedures to capture every detail of your workflow. Visual management tools like dashboards, Kanban boards, and process maps make it easier to monitor and manage workflows. These tools provide real-time visibility, highlight bottlenecks, and keep teams aligned. Incorporating visual tools into process design supports transparency and faster decision-making. Feedback loops are mechanisms for gathering input and making adjustments to processes. Regular feedback from employees, customers, and stakeholders helps you identify issues early and refine your process design. Establishing formal feedback channels ensures that improvement is continuous and responsive. Process simulation involves creating a virtual model of your workflow to test changes before implementation. This allows you to predict outcomes, identify potential problems, and optimize the design. Simulation tools can save time and resources by revealing issues that might not be obvious in theory. Process modeling uses diagrams and software to represent workflows visually. This makes it easier to communicate complex processes, identify inefficiencies, and plan improvements. Modeling is a powerful tool for aligning teams and ensuring everyone understands how the process works. Integrating processes across departments or systems can eliminate silos and improve overall efficiency. Process integration ensures that information flows smoothly and that activities are coordinated. This is especially important in complex organizations where multiple teams must work together seamlessly. Scalable processes can handle increased demand without sacrificing quality or efficiency. When designing processes, consider how they will perform as your organization grows. Modular workflows, flexible technology, and clear documentation all support scalability and future-proof your operations. Sustainable process design considers environmental and social impacts. This might involve reducing waste, conserving resources, or ensuring fair labor practices. By designing sustainable processes, organizations can meet regulatory requirements, enhance their reputation, and contribute to a better world. Process design offers many opportunities for cost reduction. Streamlining workflows, automating tasks, and eliminating waste can all lower operational expenses. Regularly review your processes to identify cost-saving opportunities and reinvest savings into further improvements. Quality assurance is built into process design by defining standards, monitoring performance, and implementing controls. Consistent quality leads to satisfied customers and fewer costly errors. Make quality a core focus of your process design to ensure long-term success. Integrating suppliers into your process design can improve coordination, reduce lead times, and enhance quality. Share information, set clear expectations, and collaborate on improvements. Strong supplier relationships support smoother operations and better outcomes for everyone involved. Assigning process ownership ensures accountability and continuous improvement. A process owner is responsible for monitoring performance, driving improvements, and coordinating with stakeholders. Clear ownership helps maintain focus and momentum throughout the process lifecycle. Process governance provides the framework for managing and controlling processes. This includes setting policies, defining roles, and establishing oversight mechanisms. Strong governance ensures that processes align with organizational goals and comply with regulations. Data is a powerful tool for process improvement. Collect and analyze data on process performance to identify trends, root causes of problems, and opportunities for optimization. Data-driven decisions lead to more effective and sustainable improvements. Agile process design emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and rapid iteration. By breaking work into small, manageable pieces and regularly reviewing progress, organizations can respond quickly to changes and continuously improve their processes. Agile methods are especially useful in dynamic environments. Process design isn't just for manufacturing, it's equally important in service industries. Service processes often involve more human interaction and variability. Focus on standardizing key steps, training staff, and using technology to deliver consistent, high-quality service experiences. Manufacturing, process design determines how products are made from raw materials to finished goods. Focus on layout, sequencing, and automation to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. Regularly review and update manufacturing processes to stay competitive and meet changing customer demands. Logistics processes involve the movement and storage of goods. Effective process design ensures that products are delivered on time in the right quantity and at the lowest cost. Use technology, data analysis, and strong supplier relationships to optimize logistics workflows. Process design can face challenges like resistance to change, lack of resources, or unclear objectives. Address these by communicating benefits, securing leadership support, and setting realistic goals. Anticipate obstacles and develop strategies to overcome them for successful process improvement. Improving process design is a powerful way to boost operational efficiency, reduce costs, and deliver better value to customers. Remember, it's an ongoing journey that requires commitment, collaboration, and a willingness to adapt. Start by mapping your current processes, set clear goals, and involve your team in continuous improvement. With the right approach, you can transform your operations and achieve lasting success.